Hi, welcome to Butterfly Gardening, Attract North American Pollinators. My name is Jessica Morgan McAtee, and I'm a butterfly conservationist. It is my goal to help you attract more butterflies to whatever plot of land you've got to work with. So what's the big deal about butterflies? Well, they're really important, and I'll tell you a few reasons why. For one thing, butterflies are showy advocates of the insect kingdom. Lots of people will pay attention to butterflies because they're pretty, but they won't pay attention to ants or termites or aphids. Butterflies help remind us the importance of insects. Butterflies are like a litmus test for a healthy environment. If butterflies start disappearing, we know there's a problem. Butterflies are the bottom of the food chain. Songbirds in North America feed their babies caterpillars. Caterpillars are more than 50% of the diet of most songbirds. If you like birds in your yard, you should be a fan of butterflies. Of course, it's not just birds. Lots of animals will happily make a meal out of butterflies in all of their stages of life. Butterflies are considered beneficial insects. They're pollinators. Along with bees and other pollinators, butterflies provide food for us. Perhaps what hits closer to home for all of us is that butterflies connect us to nature. Butterflies are everywhere, including in your neighborhood. Even if you're not currently seeing them, they're there. And once we start paying attention to them, we see nature from a different perspective. Butterfly numbers are dwindling. The major causes of this are habitat loss, new farming methods, urban development, and insecticides. And scientists are scrambling to figure out what we can do about this. Scientists are convinced that even our little backyard habitats, no matter how small it is, even if it's a balcony, contributes greatly to bringing the pollinators back. Your urban garden, your balcony container garden, your backyard habitat, or your community garden, when paired with everyone else's, can make a significant change. Together, we can make a massive difference. Would you like to attract these butterflies?
Yes!
These 10 butterflies are found in the North American continent, ranging from Canada all the way down to Mexico and across the United States. Sometimes people say to me, I'd love to have butterflies, but there are no butterflies where I live. And unless they live in the North Pole, that's probably not the case. What's most likely is they just don't notice the butterflies around them. I'm asking you from here forward in this class, put on your butterfly vision goggles, keep an eye out, even next time you go outside on a warm sunny day, and I bet you'll start noticing that there are butterflies. Take action. Please join a brand new Facebook group called Butterfly Garden Network. You can post your own pictures or ask questions. We're all learning together.